How to fix Instagram Reels not showing. First of all, let's go to App Store. And after you're led to this page, go to the search bar and search Instagram. And now make sure that your app is up to date. If you have the update button right here, click on update so that it fixes all your problems and improves your performance. And if it is updated, then let's go to Instagram app. Now go to your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen and go to the 3-line icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on settings and privacy. Slide down and go to help. Go to report a problem. Go to report problem without shaking, including continue, and type in what your problem is. You can type what I have typed here, and Instagram should fix your problem as soon as possible. That's it for today. Thank you.